In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your profile picture in Outlook. If you want to personalize your Outlook account or update an old photo with a new one, this is a very simple process and only takes a few moments. Your profile picture can help make your account look more professional and easier to recognize, especially if you use Outlook for work, school, or regular communication. To begin, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to update the profile image. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the screen where your current profile icon appears. This may show your existing picture, your initials, or a generic account symbol if no photo has been added yet. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. This is where you'll find several account-related options. From that menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to the Microsoft account page connected to your Outlook profile. Depending on your browser or app setup, this page may open in a new window or tab. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, look for the section labeled Your Info and click on it. This area contains your basic account details and the option to manage your profile picture. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to fully load. On the Your Info page, find the option that says Add Photo. If you already have a picture there, the option may appear as a way to change or update the existing image. Click on that option to continue. Next, a file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse the pictures stored on your computer or device. Locate the image you want to use as your new profile picture, then select it. It's a good idea to choose a clear image that is easy to recognize. A square photo or one with your face centered usually works best for profile display. After selecting the picture, follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the upload. In some cases, you may also be able to crop or adjust the image before saving it. Once the photo is uploaded and saved, your new profile picture should begin updating across Outlook and other Microsoft services linked to that account. If you don't see the change immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a little time for the new picture to appear everywhere. You can refresh the page or restart Outlook if needed. And that's how to add or change your profile picture in Outlook.